Pony ones are mine. Okay?
Pony ones are yours.
Yep. What did Piggy buy him this one?
Oh, wow. Open it.
What?
Open it.
Oh, Christmas music.
Where?
On the music for a second.
Show me for that. See? Look at that.
It's a game.
No.
What? The Jack.
It's Yahtzee. That's a fun game.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a big one. Look. Look at this big one, Daddy.
Well, that is a big one. I wonder what that is.
Yeah, let's see.
What else?
Look at this. It has a My Little Pony bird.
Uh-oh.
Is it what?
Could it be?
Oh, look what it is. Look.
Pony castles.
My Little Pony Mary Castle.
Wow. Sadie, what do you got?
Let's open this one.
What is it?
I don't know. We're gonna open it. See what it is.
There's outline on your paper.
This is a little transformer.
Look, it's the Transformer.
Look at little teeny bitty transformer.
Just like you asked for.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
This little.
Do it. Yeah.
Look, it's from My Little Pony. The zebra.
Yeah. What zebra?
Let's see what's in there. It's her when she. This one.
Oh, cool. Sakura, right?
Let's see this one. It's really little. See that? Look at this sock.
That baby.
Cool.
Well, how to turn your Dragon DS?
Oh, cool.
Let's see this one. This might be another DS one.
You think?
Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it has a bird. See?
Sadie.
Yeah.
Cool, that's what I always wanted. Look, DS Cook Game.
Cooking Mom. Oh, yeah, look at that. Sadie, turn to them presents.
That's pretty.
Here, let's get your sister up in a few real quick, Claire.
What? What?
So let's get your sister to open a few. What's that?
Let me see. This looks like a Blu-ray. Marie. Look.
Oh, the Aristocats.
Look. Cool TV.
You got a movie.
Let's see this one. This one looks like a pretty stamp, right?
Mm-hmm.
Another Blu-ray.
What is it?
It's Brave.
Brave.
Look, it's Brave.
Right.
Oh, right. Get it Brave.
You want to open one?
Okay, let's see this one, but there's a lot of presents on top. This one's big.
It is big. I wonder what it is.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, who's in there?
What is this?
It looks like a coloring game for the Wii.
Oh, cool. Look, it's a coloring game for the Wii, Mama. Mama, look. It's a coloring game on the Wii. Look.
Hey, Claire, get some of your wrapping paper and get it in the garbage bag. So you don't drown in it. Yay! Sadie, what's that?
Whoa, this is really big. Look.
Look, get the stuff behind your pony castle. You got your pony castle and a transformer. You got everything that you asked Santa for.
Well, look, there's no presents
There
left.
sure are.
Did you look at your stocking?
No. Look, there's a Chica up there. What? Chica plushie. Let me go and get mine, okay? I'm gonna go get my Chica plushie. But it's really hot. How can I get my
It's a
Chica?
burger.
Mama, can we get?
We'll get it, baby. How about you finish your presents first?
Yeah, get your presents first, sweets. Sadie, what do you got? You get her another big present. Get her a big one.
Whoa, that's big.
Look at that present. You got it. You get the idea. Come on, Sadie.
I love it when it's Christmas and
Give her a chair to start with. Oh, what's she got? That's a big old box.
Yeah. How can that be? And so if you need help, I can help you too.
Help her out. Help her up with that one, Claire.
What?
Help her up with that one.
She's busy looking at the paper.
See? Looks like some Sesame Street. Oh!
Oh no, Sadie. You fell.
It's an Elmo! A giant
It's an Elmo.
It's Elmo! Let's open the rest present.
You got Sadie. Sadie.
Oh, huh.
Sadie, you got your own Elmo. You got an Elmo.
Daddy, I like the Smile Pony wrapping paper. Okay?
What's that? The frick.
Oh, look!
Oh, neat.
Princess Cadence.
Yeah. And even this is in it, see? Look. That's the first.
There you got a movie.
Wow, that's cool.
What movie she get?
What did she got?
Pixar short films. Well, babies can't pay attention. This might be a movie too. It's the same size. Look, baby, this movie's about mice.
Cool.
Nice.
Look.
Cool.
Oh, what are those animals?
Yeah.
Neat.
Starting to get the idea here, baby. What's this one?
Oh, what's that?
Ooh, it looks like some of the Skylanders. A Skylander
you got the game.
These are. I always wanted one of these.
You got a Skylanders, Claire. Let me see. Look here.
Look up presents.
Wow.
It's a big one, Booty.
Whoa, that's big. You want me to help you, Sadie?
He's so excited. Sadie.
Oh, it's a place to put all your DS games.
What is it?
It's a case to put your DS games so you don't lose them.
And look, there's a lot of DS cards.
Yeah.
A DS case so I don't lost it. I can't rock about that. I needed that DS case because if I don't.
Now you can put all your games together in one case so you don't have to lose anything.
Woo, that's big.
I'm climbing that box. Does she like that Little Mermaid?
Let me see that.
I'm doing it.
Cool.
Sadie.
Okay.
Look at this.
Eric, can you turn the light on the computer desk so I can get a little light on her? Sadie, what'd you get for Christmas?
No more stuff. Does it ever end? Make some room. We're getting buried.
Wow, look, it's a robot dragon.
Neat.
See him?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, cool.
That's a cool one. Oh, look at my garden. Cool Skylander, right, Sadie? There's a lot of presents. Elmo! Ooh, it looks like another Skylander guy.
Uh-oh. Which one?
I don't know. It's this girl.
Ooh, the witch.
Yeah.
Here, turn around, Claire, so I can see you. Look. Yeah. No, now you got some Skylanders to go with your,
Skylander game. Open in here.
You got any more presents?
Yeah, there's a lot left. There's a lot. Garden.
Baby's got one more. I lost her to Elmo.
Hey, it looks like another Skylander.
Oh, you're going to have a lot of guys to play with.
Yeah.
Booty, one more.
I wonder what this guy's going to do, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Cool, look.
It's a brown dragon.
Hey. There's a garden over here. That's
Does she open everything?
I didn't open all my things.
Does Sadie open everything?
Yeah.
Sadie, you tore through them all.
Oh, this must be another one. Look.
Oh, wow. What are you going to do with all these Skylanders?
This must be a one. Cool. It's a ninja girl.
Oh, cool. And she's like an elf ninja.
Yeah. Cool. Ooh, this must be the last Skylander I should get.
Yep.
Ooh, this must be one I like.
Hey, it's him.
Look, it's a girl.
Her.
Yeah. I like her.
Neat. You like that one.
Huh? Look at this one.
Oh, cool.
It's a unicorn dragon. Right?
Yeah.
It's a unicorn dragon. Because it has a unicorn's horn, this like one, and some. Maybe this is a penguin. Here, Mama. I'm going to get on my finger.
You got any more presents?
Yeah, there's one more. Look at that really big one.
Oh, those look kind of big, huh?
Look at that big.
No, I think you got everything you asked for.
Wonder what this is. Something from Alpo. Look at the nightmare. Look at that nightmare moon up there.
Whoa, that's a lot of ponies.
Yeah. There's another.
You got Nightmare Moon.
Look.
Awesome.
A nightmare moon in it.
Well, that's a lot of ponies, Claire. What other ponies are there?
Well,
I mean, in that box.
this one.
Yeah.
There's. I don't know all of these ones' names because some of them are different colors.
Yeah.
There's Pinkie Pie and
Always
like
thinking
that.
Wow. Turn around and give me a big old smile. So, you happy with what Santa got you?
Yeah, but look at that one over there. Maybe it is.
That's for you. From me.
Oh, cool.
Alright. Let's open these. Here. This one's from Mommy to Claire. So you read. It says... The sticker says... It's on the front, I think. No, it's... Yeah, right here it says... To Claire from Mommy.
So this one for Mommy?
Yeah, Mommy got... That's your Christmas present for Mommy. So you better give her a big hug when you open it.
This is for me. Right?
Yes, honey, it's for you.
And that's a really big one there. You.
That's what I got you.
Yeah. And Sadie, what present have you got me? Sadie, stop.
But they said he didn't get presents. You said-
Sadie's trying to control my thing.
Alright, Booty. What's wrong with the phone?
Adventure Time DS game.
Wow!
There you go.
I always wanted Adventure Time game.
That's a special one.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Where they got this?
Right here, honey.
That one from Daddy, that really big
Yeah.
one. Look at that one.
I pull it over there so we can see you open it.
It's really too big.
It's pretty big, huh?
Yeah. So it's big.
It's a racetrack.
Look, Mama, there's a racetrack.
Not bad.
Cool.
A big racetrack on your car.
Wow.
And there are two guys that come with it, a Princess Peach and a Mario.
Claire, that comes with a remote control so you can race them.
Oh,
I'll build that for you later and we'll race, okay?
okay. Well, this one's way big. Wow.
So it comes with a handle.
That's really big, Daddy. Oh, that's cool.
Come on, give me my hug. Merry Christmas, sweetie. I love you.
You too. Mama,